Hi, friends. I got some happy mail and I wanted to share the excitement with you. So let's dive in to this package from Fat Quarter Shop. They are having a quilt along in October as part of breast cancer awareness. They are doing a quilt along and it's called the Woven Heart. And this is just a fabulous pattern that I think you'll have a lot of fun. So please join us. All the donations, a portion of the sales, I believe, are going to the Breast Cancer Foundation. And the Woven Star is a paper pieced block. So you get these fabulous pads of all the block papers and you're just ready to go. I am going to be sewing with the Laguna Sunrise collection. So let's take a closer look at this fabric, and you can choose the same fabric as Fat Quarter Shop is sewing for the sample. They made up their sample with, let me check my notes, Dainty Meadow, but I chose this other collection that has reds, pinks, peaches, purple, to give me a little bit of a different tone in my stars. But I think this will be a fabulous scrappy project and I can't wait to get started. Paper piecing is one of my favorite techniques and I'm so thrilled to start sewing with you. The Fat Quarter Shop has all the supplies you need. You can download the pattern for free. There is a suggested donation to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation, and you can purchase a kit, and everything you need for this project will be sent to you. Let me show you my fabric, and then we'll talk a little bit more about paper piecing. I'm sewing with these fabulous Laguna Sunrise fabrics by Sherry and Chelsea. This is from Moda, and we've got our fun little daisy print, a beautiful red floral, another floral, this time with more of a peach background. Ooh, fun lavender stripe. The colors may not be coming through. It's more of a pinky purple, not a blue, so that's fun. More just dainty florals there on that lavender background. The daisies in the purple tones. Ooh, and these are fun little pinwheels on an orange background. A floral with that lavender. More florals. This time it has more of a peach background with red and white flowers. And the same floral, but this time it's on a red background and you have peachy orange flowers and white. So I think these fabrics are gonna look so fun making these scrappy woven stars for the quilt along that benefits the Breast Cancer Foundation. What do you think? We will be putting together paper piece stars and then laying them out in a heart pattern. So to get started with paper piecing, there are a few things that make the job a lot easier. Obviously, you need a rotary cutter, and I like to keep a smaller cutting mat close to my sewing machine when I'm paper piecing. The add a quarter ruler is key to trimming your fabric and keeping all the bits coordinated. And I have a full playlist about paper piecing that I will link either at the top of the screen or in the description below. It's a really fun, easy, accurate way to sew your pieces together. I've gotten started with the pad of Woven Stars Foundations, which is a fabulous resource from the Fat Quarter Shop. The star comes together in segments, triangle segments, and they make fun, scrappy blocks. So I hope you'll sew along with me on this fun project. Want more paper piecing inspiration? Take a look at the Dragon Star quilt.